Today, we are diving into the delicious world of Duncan Hines marble cake mix. This mix is not just a baking option, it is a creative way to make a cake that looks as good as it tastes. One of the standout features of this cake mix is its unique swirl patterns. When you open the box, you will find two distinct flavors. One side is rich chocolate, and the other side is classic vanilla. This combination allows you to create beautiful visual patterns in your cake. The swirls are not only appealing to the eye, but also add a delightful mix of flavors. To achieve those perfect swirls, you will want to follow the simple instructions on the box. Just combine the two batters in one bowl, then use a knife or a skewer to gently swirl the two together. This process creates stunning marbled effects. You will be amazed at how easy it is to achieve that bakery-style look right in your own kitchen. Now, let's talk about the texture. When baked, Duncan Hines marble cake is soft and moist. Each bite offers a delightful blend of flavors. The chocolate is rich and indulgent, while the vanilla is light and fluffy. Together, they create a balanced taste that is sure to please everyone. Another great aspect of this cake mix is its even carb distribution. For those who are mindful of their carbohydrate intake, Duncan Hines has made sure this cake mix is a suitable option. The ingredients are carefully measured to provide a consistent and balanced carb count per serving. This means you can enjoy a slice of cake without the worry of uneven carb spikes. Baking with Duncan Hines marble cake mix is also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as is, or you can get creative. Consider adding chocolate chips or nuts for an extra flavor boost. You might even try frosting it with a chocolate ganache or a light vanilla icing. The options are endless, and each choice can elevate your cake to a new level. This cake mix is perfect for various occasions as well. Whether you are celebrating a birthday, hosting a gathering, or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, this cake will fit right in. It is easy to prepare, and the results are impressive. For those who may be new to baking, this mix is a wonderful starting point. It requires minimal ingredients and effort. You can involve your family or friends in the process. Baking can be a fun and engaging activity. Plus, the satisfaction of creating something tasty together is always rewarding. If you are hosting a party, consider making mini marble cakes. You can use cupcake liners to create individual portions. These bite-sized treats are easy to serve and perfect for guests to enjoy. Remember, presentation is key. Dusting the top with powdered sugar or adding sprinkles can make your cake even more appealing. A beautiful cake can impress your guests and make any celebration feel special. In conclusion, Duncan Hines marble cake mix is an excellent choice for anyone looking to bake a delicious and visually stunning cake. The swirl patterns and even carb distribution make it a standout option. So, whether you are a seasoned baker or just starting out, this cake mix is sure to please. Grab a box today and experience the joy of baking a marble cake. Appreciate your viewership, like and subscribe for upcoming videos.